Wednesday, December 10th, and I just got off the phone with the customer here and kind of filled them in from what's happening from yesterday. And Dad is going to fill in with me on what's going on here today. But as you can clearly see, the engine is out. And what a mess down there. And look at that wiring. Oh my lord. So we're going to have to do a whole brand new wiring harness here for the customer, guaranteed. And we're going to call in our good buddy Randy to start working on that. But I told the customer that they need to start getting me that down payment so we can initiate their loan application. So lots of work in here. This is the engine here right now. And Aidan, what's the good news or the bad news or the bad good news or the good bad news?
The good news is this guy's going on vacation.
Uh-oh.
Going to start in the center.
Where are you going?
No, this guy.
Oh, like to heaven or what?
Well, if you want to call Winnipeg heaven, that's up
Oh,
to
is
you.
that what you're going to do?
No, you'll have to use swing bar.
Okay.
The idea here is go center on both sides, and then go one here and one here, so you're working out to the edge.
Sure.
Okay, well, we're going to let these guys keep going here, and I got dogs barking, so I'll come right back. Okay, I just had to let Charlie in. He was howling. Anyways, this is the inside here. Maybe I'll get a light if I can show you a bit more, but the floor is out, and so we got lots of cleanup in here.
We're gonna take all the wiring out.
Yeah, that looks like what the access hole was for servicing before.
Yeah, well, that's a drain hole for the engine,
Yeah.
and this is a drain hole for the transmission.
Oh, awesome. Okay.
And that's the exhaust hole.
Yeah.
It's 2-inch. Right?
Yeah.
But don't worry.
Roughly,
about
yeah.
that.
So anyways, all that wiring's got to come out and got to be redone. We're going to get Randy in here as soon as humanly possible. So anyways,
So I want you to be handy here when we take the head out,
okay.
because we're going to set the head there and then turn it over and see what that piston's doing.
Okay, I'll just turn this off and I'll help you out.
Go ahead. Keep going. Pass me a flashlight there, please.
Okay.
There's one right there.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Okay. Turn it again. Good.
There's a little bit of scoring on that side.
Yeah, that's. Look, when you get glasses, you'll see that. Okay, turn it. You can still see the crosshatch in there. So keep going. Keep going. Oh. Oh, fuck. Lovely block. All we have to do is run a light hole through there, a new set of rings. We'll wait. But I have to lift this again, get it up this high, because I want to drain the oil out of it and take the pan off.
Okay. Check everything underneath.
Could be leaking by the seals here, or it was too cold, I don't know.
So
But this is running cold that does this.
they got a couple valves that are stuck there. Going to clean it up. Dad's feeling more optimistic. So is Aidan. It might not be a complete write-off, but they're going to lift this engine up and get underneath it to remove the pan and do a bunch of extra
Once
work.
you go through there,
And
pull this
so
all apart and go through
they're going to clean them one at a time.
with a fine cleaner. Did you see how much fucking carbon's in there?
That's probably why that push
Can we
rod
put the
is
light on there, Dad,
bouncing
so these
out.
guys can see? Put the light on there. That's the carbon buildup.
Yeah, see, look on the valve.
Yeah.
See the valve stem?
Yeah.
Much carbon?
Yeah.
And then showing that.
And this valve doesn't close, eh?
Yeah. It was kind of
The
on that
rest-
one a little bit right
the,
there
the
too.
rest, so, well, they protrude, all depends how the valve grind is, eh?
Okay.
But we know that there's lots of compression.
Okay. Okay, so a little more optimistic than yesterday.
Then
But,
we're going to tip it over, drain it, take the pan off, and we'll see what the crank looks like in the bearings.
Okay, so end of day, guys. We'll
Yeah,
check on the next video.
Damn good lock, ain't it?